Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tan Tech Gaming Wizard here, back again with another video today. And today I've got something different. Some Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze card packs. I only got 3 of them today. I ordered these from Gamestop, and I also have a Hoopa V-Box that recently was released. I believe is on the 3rd of December, so like 6 days ago. So that was last Friday. So look out for that video as well. I'll be making that in just a few minutes. But anyway, so got 3 Darkness Ablaze packs from GameStop. So anyway, I also have some more Pokemon card packs that I'm going to make, videos that I'm going to make from Best Buy. So anyway, look for those videos. So quite a bit of videos for tonight, and you'll probably see them early tomorrow morning. And so, okay, we're gonna start opening these, and then white color code card to start off. Awesome. Two. It's a card trick. Okay, first pack in this Darkness Ablaze opening out of 3 starts with the Panseer, Mareep, Snowball, Tauros, Rookidee, Grass or Leaf type energy, Yellowhorn, Flaffy, Carnivine, one of my favorite Pokemon. Thievul would be the rare reverse holo, and the rare here would be a holo Suicune. Not a bad pull right there. Okay, second and final pack right here. Code card. Okay. Alright, second pack starts with Paris, Gothita, Skarmory, Kabchu, Wimpod, Rock type energy, Pupitar, Corvisquire, Hiding Darkness type energy. Solrock would be the rare reverse holo, and the rare here would be a Grand Bull. Okay, third and final pack. Green color code card to finish off. Okay, final pack starts with the Jigglypuff, Ducklet, Carablast, Galarian Darumaka, Larvitar, Fire type energy, OPC, Ursaring, Heat Fire type energy, rare reverse holo would be the Talonflame, and the final card would be a Serena. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe, and look out for my other videos. Thanks, guys.